Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress website full width. Achieving a full width layout is a popular design choice, offering a modern and immersive experience for your visitors. It means your content, images, and sections will stretch across the entire screen, from edge to edge, without any sidebars or fixed content areas. This technique helps create a more dynamic and engaging visual presentation, making your site feel expansive and contemporary. Let's dive into the methods. There are several core methods to achieve a full-width layout. First, many contemporary WordPress themes come equipped with dedicated full-width page templates. You can often select this option directly from your page or post editor. Second, the native WordPress block editor provides powerful tools. Blocks like the cover block or group block can be set to full width or wide width, allowing specific content sections to span a greater portion of the screen. This gives you granular control over individual elements. For even greater flexibility, consider using themes and page builder plugins. Themes such as Astra, GeneratePress, or Ocean WP are built with robust layout options, making it simple to set global full-width settings or apply them to individual pages. Furthermore, page builder plugins like Elementor, Beaver Builder, or Divi offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces. These tools allow you to easily create full-width rows, sections, and columns, giving you precise control over every pixel of your design without needing to write any code. Finally, for advanced customization, you can use custom CSS. By adding CSS rules in your theme's customizer or a child theme, you can target specific elements and force them to be 100% wide, overriding any default container widths. Remember, responsiveness is crucial. A full-width design must look excellent on all devices, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones. Always test your site thoroughly across different screen sizes to ensure a consistent, visually appealing, and user-friendly experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.